Well, hey guys, let's go ahead and continue with this mid-May update that we have going on here. Um, Wanted to bring you up to speed some things that we have done over the weekend that you didn't see in the last video. So let me flip the camera around here and we'll show you the latest things that we've done in the trailer here. Let's do this. Okay, as you notice, we do have some stuff laying around. It's kind of a little mess, but it's going to happen. Um, you know, But anyways, so we decided to take a small risk, and we added some pole, or may I say poles, because we have a shelf here to the walls. Now we took the risk. We know that we could drill through the other side, but we did not. So this is the hanger that we used, the type of closet rod. You can get it at Lowe's, Home Depot. Um, but anyways, what we used here was these anchors. These are about 1 1/4, and I measured these. I very carefully drilled with a 1 1/4 inch bit into the wall very slowly. This is what you get. So when it does expand, it's a little hard to do, of course, but what you do not want to do is use the screws that come in the package. We went ahead and bought some number 8 1 inch screws because the ones that come in the package, we have heard, will go through the wall. We measured, it was too close. I decided it was better off to go with these. So basically the wall anchor after we drilled in, then added the 1 inch screw. And then we chose to get 4 packages of the closet rod holders for the simple fact of we want to make sure that we can take these things in and out rather easy, like I said. Now we've got some plans for some room dividers or curtains that Mitzi is working on. So once them get done, we will give you a show of what them things look like. But anyways, and once again, like I said before, there is our old hot water heater switch, and our new one is there, the USB outlet. We've got some plans going on. I don't think this is going to work too well, but we will show this clip here. We've got a water issue, and you can kind of see it here, to where the drawer that goes here will not shut all the way. We've kind of talked about that before. So I've got some plans. We'll talk about that here. Um, in the clip of the video that you'll see, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a bend here that goes around the wheel well. We're going to turn that into a 90 and then move that supply line back behind that wheel well just in front of it so that we can get it going back up to the sink because that's where it goes. And then, of course, the other one's for the shower, which you can kind of see the shower ones right there. But it's just that one. It's the issue. It doesn't allow us to get that other drawer fully closed. I mean, the drawer fits in there, but does not fully close. We've got another thing that we're going to be doing on this wall right here. We'll talk about that here after later. Maybe in another video we'll save that for when the part comes that we're going to be waiting on here for. So let me flip the camera back around here and we'll get this kind of wrapped up here. Alright guys, here we've got the old famous water heater switch. For us, located in a bad spot, we've got the dinette, which is here. Of course, this is where Pepper usually sleeps, in this area. Normally when this table is down, we have to bend down to get to that. So we are going to be moving it, like I said, into that location there, which is already pre-cut. So let's dig in. We're going to remove some couch cushions here and see what we are faced with. So what we're going to do here is get the camera mounted up on a tripod here, and we can watch me go ahead and get this wiring changed out so that we can get this switch moved. Alright guys, the new hot water heater switch is put in. I just got to add some screws. We'll kind of give you a showdown here what I did. It's going to be kind of hard to see. I did do some zip ties. You can kind of see the hole right there. I'm going to put some silicone in that. Comes over to here. Here's all my splice connections. And like I was saying, we have our yellow to yellow. This is our green wire. It has our double. Our red one has our single. And our plain white wire, which goes into here. Still have the hot water heater switch in its old location. Hey guys, I went up to the shack to get a map of Moraine View State Park in Leroy, Illinois. Let's go ahead and grab this map. We're going to head back up to our campsite. Right now I'm in a handicap spot. Just walking out of it. We'll turn around and show you how big that is. Matter of fact, here we go. Here's a handicap spot right here. They have them all cemented. They look semi-level. Here's our camper here. We're at B4. Right kind of behind, there's a shower house. There's a kids' playground down there, a little hard to see. We're going to stop here and just kind of pan through the trees. And there are quite a few campers here today on May the 1st, 2021. Beautiful, 80 degrees. We couldn't ask for anything more in central Illinois. A little bit of wind, we'll take it. But yes, look at these sites. They are rather big. 36 foot in length right there. Fits in here pretty good. You can tell the site has a slight grade, not much. Got a site down here, it's got a grade. And we'll come back home. And here we are. Other than that, guys, catch you in the next video. Bye. Well, hey guys, I know I just threw some extra clips in there for you guys to watch. I thought that it was just kind of something extra that maybe you'd want to see me actually doing some work. Who knows? But anyways, also I showed that clip in there of the Moraine View State Park that we stayed at May 1st, I believe it was. We are staying back there on Memorial Day weekend. We do look forward to that stay coming up. However, we do have our vacation coming up in about a month. Speaking of which, we went to a few spots last year. Some of you guys know where we went. Matter of fact, we're taking that same exact route. We like the places that we stayed at so much. Why not go back again? Last year it was a pretty rough year deciding, are we going camping or are we not going camping because of the COVID stuff. But this year we're going to kind of treat it still the same. We're going to hang with family more. So, other than that, guys, look forward to doing a few more videos here coming up. If you would, please subscribe and like the videos. Other than that, talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Should we put something here? Maybe like a logo or something? Yeah, I think so. Let's see what we come up with.